Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do some letter writing. You have to write a letter to your friend in which you are showing gratitude to your friend for sending you a birthday gift. You have to write down examination hall, then you have to insert comma, then you have to write down city ABC in the next line, then in the next line you have to write down the month. It can be any month like August or July, and the year. Then you have to add the full stop at the end. In the next line you have to write down your friend's name, or you can address him like friend. Come to next line after inserting comma at the end of friend. I received your gift of a wristwatch on my birthday 2 days ago. It is a beautiful watch. I needed it as I lost my watch in a mishap a few days ago. I shall take care of it as it will help to make me punctual. I thank you again for this gift. Come to next line on the right side, and you have to end the letter by writing yours sincerely and insert comma at the end. Write down your name in the next line. So you can write down the letter in this way.